Hello, good day everyone, and in this video we are going to solve this limit problem, and we have a limit x approach to 0 square root 2 minus square root 1 plus cos 2 times x over sine square x. So let's start. First of all, we recall some identity that we use in our question. The first identity is, we know that 1 plus cos 2x, this is equal to 2 times cos square x. And the second identity, which is a sine square x, we know that this is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So we apply these two identity in our question. So we have a limit x approach to 0 and square root 2 minus this whole term 1 plus cos 2 times x, this is equal to 2 times cos square x over, and we write this denominator as a 1 minus cos square x. We write this as a limit x approach to 0 square root 2 minus, we write this term as a square root 2 multiply cos square x over, we write this denominator as a 1 square, which is also equal to 1, and minus the second term is a cos square x. So we copy this second term. Now look at this cos square x, this square and square root will cancel. So we just get limit x approach to 0 square root 2 minus square root 2, and this is a cos x over, look at this denominator here, we apply identity, which is a square minus b square. As we know, this is equal to a plus b and a minus b. We apply this identity on a denominator. So this will become a 1 plus cos x and multiply this by 1 minus cos x. So look at the nominator, square root 2 involved in these two terms. So we factor out square root 2. So we have a limit x approach to 0, and we factor out square root 2. Then this nominator will become a 1 minus cos x, and we copy the denominator, and in the next step this 1 minus cos x and 1 minus cos x will cancel. We copy the remaining values, and nominator we have a square root 2, and in denominator we have a 1 plus cos x. Now we apply the limit on this function. So we copy the nominator, and denominator is a 1 plus cos x, and x approach to 0, so we write a cos 0, and we have a square root 2 1 plus cos 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1, so we have a 1 plus 1, and the 1 plus 1 is a 2, so we get a square root 2 over 2, and this is equal to 1 over square root 2. This is the limit of our function, and we have done. Thank you.